representing Chef Blake Kitchen. Keep it locked in right here. Subscribe to his channel, like, share, comment, follow him. Love the entertainment, love the action, love the food, nice Caribbean flavor in the house. Represent Trini in the house from Maryland.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your boy Chef Blake here, BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Yeah man, so today I'm just taking you guys. I know you saw the video when I was planting these seeds. This is what they look like, guys, after about a few weeks. This is the carrot right here. The carrot is growing. It's the carrot right here going across over there. Some of the seed did not grow. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the bugs in the ground. But some of my cucumbers did not grow. The carrot did. And over here is my lettuce. Here's the lettuce, guys. Everything did not grow, but these are the one that does. This right here. Got some thyme right here. A scallion leaf right here. It's growing. Over here, I have some tomatoes. These some tomato plants right here. It's growing. I believe I have to clean up this bed to get rid of all these weeds. Overgrown by weeds, guys. Yeah. Gotta get rid of some of these weeds. I don't want to choke the plants. Yeah. This is what it looks like. And over here, it's the cabbage right here. It's the cabbage plant right here. Cabbage is growing. Need to clean out all the extra weed from around it. Yep. Look over here. It's another one. Overgrown. Excess weed. Trying to get me some corn. Planting some corn. I couldn't get any corn, the corn seed. So that's why I haven't planted the corn. I'm gonna try to go back to the Home Depot, see if I can get some corn seed. I know I can still plant it before the fall. The weather changes. And apart from this is the pepper. This is the bell pepper right here. It's growing. Yeah. Bell pepper plants growing. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put me on some pesticide and some bug killers. See if I can get rid of all these bugs and cicadas and all these stuff going on, because these things are really destroying my plants. So let's go and put some pesticide and thing on them, trying to get rid of these things. Come with me. Yes, guys. Tomato and pepper growing over there. See a cicada. Look at all these cicadas, man. All these bugs. Trying to get rid of them. This is the month of May. It's a lot of cicada all over the place. Pick some of them up as they are right here on the tomato plant. Look at that. Cicada bugs. So many. Cabbage over there growing. Pepper. And over there we got lettuce. Lettuce growing over there. Just need to clean up. Put some on the pepper over here. tomato. Keep off all my bugs and whatever eating my plants. Just like that. More tomato right here. Well, them said this thing is good for use on plants, so I'm supposed to do them anything except for, look at this right here, guys. That's what I'm talking about. So look at the leaves. You can see how the bugs then eat up the leaf right there. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So, let's put some here. It's supposed to deal with the bugs and things. Yes, guys, a lot of the seeds didn't grow. I don't know if they it was bugs or whatever in the earth. I did put some pesticide in the earth to kind of like get rid of the bugs, but it seems like the bugs was, you know, they so much in the dirt, in the soil, so they eat many of the seeds. It didn't germinate.
Kid. You don't know now your boy Billy now represent for Chef Blake, you know. And BlakeWrTv.
Cicadas, aka Stammer.com, shouting out from all the way from Toronto, representing for Chef Blake.
Yeah, this is Quinty from Maryland, represent for BlakeWrTv. Don't know you what I think global, you know.
Don't know fire pan I represent for Chef Blake, you know.
You see me? Link up the dance on YouTube.
Check it out now. You see me I say new thing around the road right here. Chef Blake, check it out. Man.
BlakeTV. Don't know, brother. I want going on, man. Worldwide. Global.
On BlakeWrTv Kitchen. One link. Stay tuned. Keep it locked. Stammer.com. Access granted. Blake up.
Yeah.
Too late shall be your cry, girl. Too late. Too late shall be your cry, girl.
The one and only Mr. Johnny Lee.
Watty, can't get it. I get it, no watty. You better open your eyes.
For real, man. For real.
You know what time it is. Your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook. I mean, yard eat for your yard.